If you want to share a started user post on your Facebook, then keep watching this video till the end. First of all, I want to let you know one thing. The process of sharing a started user post on Facebook profile is a little bit different from sharing it on Facebook page. So I'm going to show you both the ways. First of all, we are going to share this post on Facebook profile. So to share this started user post, first of all, click on the write something here. Now scroll down a little bit. Now look at the last second option, live event. Now click on it. You get some categories here: work, education, relationship, home and living, family, travel, like this. To share your started user post, first of all, you have to click on the first option, on work. Now click on new job. Now you can upload a photo for your job title. See here, photo and video. You can post video too. Just click there. And now it will be redirected to your phone gallery. Now after selecting the picture at the top right corner, click on done. Now the picture is ready. Now you have to give your job title. See, add an employer. Just click on plus icon. Now select your workplace. By default, you will get so many workplaces here. Just write something. For example, I'm writing here, manager. I'm selecting the first option just to show you, like this. Start the job in manager. And if you want, you can write a short description about your job profile. See, say something about this. Just click there and then write whatever you want to write about your job, okay? After this, just click on next at the top right corner. And as soon as you click on post, your post will be published. But the process of sharing this post on Facebook page is a little bit different from Facebook profile. So now I'm going to show you that too. Let's go back. Now I've shifted to a Facebook page. Now to share the started user post on Facebook page, just click here. What's on your mind? Now scroll down a little bit. And see, there's no any live events option in Facebook page. Instead of live events, you get another option here, filling an activity. So click on it. And here we get two categories, fillings and activities. If you want to share a started user post, you have to select the activity section. Now select the first option, celebrating. Now keep scrolling down to find your job post. Now see here, my new job. So just click here. Now unlike the Facebook profile, here in Facebook page, you won't get any option to post any picture or video. Just you will have your celebrating my new job title at the top, and you can write a description about your job here. And after writing your job description, just click on next to share the post. Okay, so this is how you can share your started user post on Facebook profile and Facebook page. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful video like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.